Hi guys, this is Iris. Right now, it is Monday 1:37 a.m. And don't judge me, this is not a midnight snack. It's only because my body clock runs on a different time zone now. I just want to make a quick intro, kind of update you what's going on. Also, please don't mind my very ugly wall. So, ganyan yung color niya, guys. Kasi we painted it for my training and then tinamad na akong ituloy siya. Basta, I will explain it sometime. So, before I mukbang and watch Netflix, I just want to say hi. This is Iris. If you're new here, I used to be a medtech student and now I am working and I am an HVA. I worked as a medtech for a few months only, but realized that it's not for me anymore. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to start making vlogs again. I am very inconsistent with my vlogs, but it's something that I enjoy doing. It's just sometimes tinatamad ako. And honestly, sobrang boring kung iba-vlog ko yung work ko ngayon kasi I literally just sit in this chair, face my laptop, and work. That's it. Anyway, I've been working for 2 months now as an HVA. I'm just taking the time to really learn and experience it. And by the way, I'm also very active sa TikTok, so you can follow me there. And if you're also an aspiring HVA, then I share some tips, things that you should know on my TikTok. So if you want to follow me there, go ahead. So yon, for this week, I'm gonna try to vlog.
Dahil dito, mawawala ang mga kadiliman na nakasaklip sa prinsesa.
So, hindi mo naman kasi kailangan lumipat.
Lalabas na naman ba yung mga... Gusto sana kitang makausap tungkol doon sa nangyari sa inyong dalawa ni Mia.
Hi, I'm still the same, and it's 12 p.m. and I'm going to unbox a parcel, which I think is yung matcha whisk na binili. Yes! Yan, sakto yung dating niya kasi syempre may work ako later. Yay! And by the way guys, nag-set up ako ng mini matcha bar dito. So, hi guys! So, medyo chaotic lang kasi nagmamadali na ako. Kasi hindi ako kumilos agad. Pero, good morning sa kanila. And good evening naman sa akin. And since Monday ngayon is meron kaming weekly roundup or weekly meeting. So, before every Friday yon, ngayon every Monday na. Yung pumasok lang ako sa meeting and then usually 45 minutes yung mga meeting. It depends. Minsan 1 hour or sobra. I am expecting na magiging busy ngayon since Monday. Usually, sobrang daming calls pag Mondays, Tuesdays, ganyan. And then, Wednesday naman, medyo humuhupa na siya. Usually, Thursday, Friday, but mostly Friday, yung pinaka-chill. So, yan. Dalawa pa lang kami dito sa meeting. Naghihintay lang ako sa mga kasama ko. Sa sobrang daldal ko, nakalimutan ko i-on yung timer ko. Late tuloy ako ng 2 minutes. I hate that. Usually kasi, ino-on ko yung timer ko 2 minutes or 1 minute earlier. So, 8 a.m. sa kanila yung pasok ko, sa akin 11 p.m. So, nakapag-on ako ng timer 8:02 a.m. It's okay. Thank you. Okay, now that meeting is adjourned, it's time to grind. Hey everyone! So, galing ako sa labas. Pinuntahan lang ako. Sobrang saglit lang. Like, 1.5 lang. 1.5 hour lang ako nagtagal. I got something from 7-Eleven. I saw this on TikTok and I'm curious. So, I want to try it. So, this is the pistachio brownie bar. It looks really delicious. So, yeah. And I'm drinking Sola Ice Tea Raspberry flavor. Ice. Open this. Smells so good. So, ito siya, guys. So, sabi dito, naputol na. Chocolate brownie with pistachio katay filling. So, this is the same as in Dubai chocolate daw. But obviously, it's not the real one. It smells so good. Super duper good. Anyway, let's try. Cheers. So it's delicious. Bigla akong naalala yung pistachio drink sa Pickup Coffee. I don't remember the exact name, pero guys, sobrang sarap nun. This reminded me of that. I really don't get yung lasa ng pistachio because it tastes like milk chocolate to me. I don't know why. Parang coconut. If alam niyo yung chocolate na parang coconut, ganun na ganun yung texture niya. Hi guys, I am working again, obviously. I'm honestly having a hard time focusing. But I'm trying my best to be mentally present. It's just so difficult when a lot of things are going on to your head. And this is one of those days that is very real. We just have bad days. Hi guys. So, konting minutes na lang matatapos na yung shift ko. And I just want to share. I did something a bit impulsive, but this is something na I've always wanted to do for the longest time. Nasabi ko sa sarili ko, kapag nagka-work ako, I will book myself a solo staycation somewhere. So, I decided dito lang sa malapit, sa may Pasay lang naman. I stumbled upon this Yamato hostel sa Airbnb app. I just thought that place looks really interesting. Ang ganda ng reviews. 3 p.m. pa yung check-in later. So, I'm gonna go to MOA first because I want to roam around. So, yon. This is why kailangan kong sumakses sa life. Kasi, pag malungkot ako, I like to do expensive stuffs. No, guys. This is not a good financial habit, to be honest. I know that. But I'm excited because this is my first time to try this. So, I can't believe I'm doing this. Hi guys. So it is currently 6:57 a.m. Today is payday. I just have here my tablet kasi dito ko sinusulat yung paano ko siya iba-budget. So this is what I do every payday. Adulting stuffs. I just have to budget my money. Hi guys, so it's currently 10 a.m. and paalis na ako. So this is the outfit of the day. I just have this shirt from Uniqlo. And then I'm wearing this again as a cover up from Uniqlo din. Medyo crumpled na siya. Pero kasi magjo-joyride ako. So mainit kaya sinuot ko na lang siya ulit. And then jeans. Then crops. Guys, kanina ko pa hinahanap yung Nitoril. Liligaw na ako. I'm struggling so much. Hindi ko mahanap. Guys, I feel so stupid kasi sobrang lapit na lang pala sa Uniqlo. Doon ako galing.
Here's your order, ma'am.
Bakit naman ang camera ko, girl? Hirap mo kasama.
Haluin mo muna. Guys, I'm so happy.
Sarap, lasang matcha. Ano ba ba?
Anong in-order mo?
Matcha salted cream latte. Kaya pala
Parang wala namang latte yun.
May latte.
Ay, meron ba?
Huwag kang
Tapos
judger na ako nag-order.
Narinig niyo ba yun?
Kaya pala ang ano niya, maalat siya. Or mapait.
Oh, cream. Gusto ko yung ganun.
Hindi mapait siya kasi yung matcha.
Tapos pinalitan mo ng almond.
Oo, almond. Siguro yung nagpapangat na lasa yung almond.
Sarap.
Sige, may paano maano yung paano mainita yung kinakain mo?
Tikman na natin.
Sarap?
Matcha.
Bakit? Masarap? Pait.
Hindi, pero masarap.
Matcha nga kasi.
Yan yung gusto ko eh.
Hi guys, I am in the quiet room right now. So this is a dedicated space para sa mga nag-work. So sobrang perfect talaga dito. Although medyo nakakailang kasi I do calls. And kanina meron akong kasama. So I think naririnig niya ako pero Hi guys! I'm back home, and before ako magpahinga, I thought I'd do a haul of everything I got from Manila. So I'm gonna start off with this one that I'm wearing. This is from Uniqlo, from the JW Anderson collection. Sobrang nagandahan ako dun sa una kong binili. So gusto ko bumili ng ibang colors, but yung originally na gusto ko, yung pink talaga nila na ganito. Pero for some reason, sa lahat ng branches na tiningnan ko, wala silang stock ng small. So, that is so weird for me. I really like this. Ang ganda ng tela niya. I like the structure and the length. I was so happy I got the white one kasi I've been wanting to invest in very good quality basics. Next is IKEA haul. Actually, before that, let's do a Nitori haul. Nakita niyo naman guys kung paano ako nagligaw-ligaw, talaga kakahanap. I'm really bad with directions. Anyway, na-enjoy ko mag-ikot-ikot din sa Nitori, pero I was a bit in a rush kasi magkikita kami nun ng friend ko, but I got 3 items from Nitori and this is the first one. So, gagamitin ko siya pang scoop sa matcha powder ko. Pero actually, pang mix siya. Pero mukha kasi siya yung like, eto. Hindi ko alam yung tawag, pero ayan. So, I got this one. And ang ganda ng mga stainless steel pala. So, wala lang, parang na-appreciate ko siya. Lalo lang nung nag-ikot-ikot ako sa IKEA. I've been wanting to buy ito, ice cube container lang naman siya. Or ice cube maker, whatever. Kasi for some reason, lagi akong nauubusan nung nasa ref namin. And tamad ako mag-refill. So, I got an extra one. And then, I got this one. I don't know why I have an obsession with collecting glasswares or mugs. I got this one. Very simple lang siya, but I thought that the size is perfect for matcha. Yan! So cute! I didn't know that at 25 years old, I would be so happy na nakakabili ako ng ganito. Yes! So cute. Pero actually guys, feeling ko sobrang konti ng options sa Nitori MOA branch. Kasi yung mga nakikita ko online, mas madaming choices sa Makati, sa Ayala, I don't know. Okay, next. I also got a few things lang rin from IKEA. And honestly, kanina, ayoko pa talagang umuwi. And nung nag-check out na ako sa hostel, I didn't know where to go. Initially, nag-book na ako ng joyride papunta ng PITX. Pero wala namang nahanap na driver. So, I guess it was a sign na gumala pa. So, I decided to go to IKEA. I've been there once. Like, once lang ako nakaikot doon. Pero ngayon lang ako nakaikot talaga na tiningnan ko yung mga gamit. And I didn't know na talagang ang affordable. Like, ang daming affordable items sa IKEA. Kasi I've been seeing posts in TikTok ng mga affordable finds nila here. And I just thought that it would be nice kung doon ako magsha-shop if ever I have a future home or an apartment. We don't know. So, yun, if ever I decided to move somewhere, parang gusto ko dun mag-shop. Kasi, guys, I'm not sure ilang pieces tong nabili ko. Let me count. So, 11 items, guys. And this is less than 500 pesos. Like, what? Also, I want to say na sobrang therapeutic talaga ng ginawa ko kanina. Like, sobrang nakakapagod siya kasi ang laki ng IKEA, 'di ba? Pero sobrang natuwa ako sa mga nakita ko, and at the same time, I was taking my time to really roam around and check the things, and ewan ko, therapeutic lang para sa akin nun kanina. I felt like I was having some peace of mind. Whatever, I don't know. Anyway, let's do an IKEA haul. I'm gonna start off with this one. Bumibili kasi ako ng separate na ganito para sa hugasin ng mga pets ko. So, yan. Separate yung panglinis nila, obviously. So, bumili na ako ng restock kasi naubos na. And then, I finally got myself a frother. So, meron akong gustong bilhin actually sa TikTok. Pero since nandun naman na ako, might as well try it. I just feel like
parang madaling masira yung material niya. Pero, yun, hindi pala ako nakabili ng battery. So, I still need to buy battery. Sayang. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang siya i-try for my matcha. And then, as a cat owner, I've never bought this. Ewan ko, parang I don't mind naman na yung mga fur nila is all over the place. But, bigla ko lang naisip na try ko lang. I got these hooks. So, sobrang affordable nito. I think this is 29 pesos. Dalawa na siya, guys. So, let me open this one. So, yung material niya is bakal. So, ayan siya. Meron siyang adhesive sa likod. Baka magamit ko lang rin somewhere. Minsan kasi may mga gamit na naiisip ko, parang kailangan ko nun. Tapos, alam mo yun, pag nasa labas na ako, hindi ko na naaalala na bumili ng ganun. So, this is just one of those things. And then, I got a scissor. Wala lang, gusto ko lang ng basic looking scissor. Kasi I have this one. I have this one, guys. And medyo sira na siya. And alam nyo ba, napulot ko lang to. And I think it's been 4 years or 3 years ago. Napulot ko to sa school nung college ako. So, ayan. Pero yun, hindi kasi siya maganda tingnan sa table ko. And then I got some organizers. I've been wanting to buy these as well. I bought this specifically here para sa table ko kasi ang daming anik-anik na walang lugar. So, it's a perfect size para dito sa laptop stand ko. Like, I have my notes, I have some pins, and then pang matanda. So, at least, may place na sila dito, guys. So, hindi na siya mukhang cluttered. This is what I'm talking about. Ayan. Cute! Then, I also got it in a different size. So, meron akong specifically na paglalagyan nito. I got these, ano bang tawag nila dito? Supposedly, lagayin siya ng sapatos. And naisip ko kasi, kapag, yun nga, nagta-travel ako, umaalis, ganyan. Doon hindi naman ako laging nagta-travel. Pero, basta, wala akong lagayin ng shoe. So, and then, the last one is this. So, this is a vase. Look! It's so pretty. So, this is only 80 pesos, guys. Sobrang pretty niya. So, that's my IKEA haul. Magpapahinga na ako, guys, kasi may work pa ako later. Bye! Look at this cutie. Sobrang... Guys, by the way, nakapon na siya, si Chubbs. Kaya meron na siyang notch sa tenga. And, lalo siyang tumataba. Pero, hindi siya nagiging malambing. Ayaw niya pa din magpaawa ko. And then, this is Betty Boo. Kailangan mo na ulit maligo. So, bantot always. Bakit ang bilis bumaw ng mga to? Hi guys, so I'm done with my work and now let's unbox this parcel. So this is the parcel. So I always buy sagutes. I have one for the doggy. Gutom na sila lahat. Anyway, this is also their stock of dry food. So I'm gonna refill their container. Okay guys, so it's time to tackle this mess of our room. It's very, very messy right now. I have all of my things all over the place. So I will clear this out. By the way, I have an upcoming staycation for one night lang with my friends tomorrow. So, I'm still gonna be using this bag.
pala itong ano. Hirap maging friend. Ay, sorry. Ikaw din, may magastos ka. Kasi tayo, may sarili-sarili na bitaka. Lapit sa Tokyo ko.
Say hi, me!
May taga. Dapat ready ka na sa mga songs mo. Taylor.
Yes, ready na magwala ang mga tita. Hi! Say hi to the vlog. Kapon na siya. Ay, hindi pa. Ay, kapon na siya.
Kaya pala ang taba niya, Mi. Pag-rapper mo na lang ako, Mi.
Uwi na tayo. Bye-bye! Ang aking Nina. Yeah! You're so sweet. Love you. Oh my gosh! Nakakainis ka naman.
Ay na po.
Ay, na pala sa taas. Hindi dito na daw, di ba? So, paano? Kasi may hashtag eh.
Yun po, nahirapan pa kami magbukas. Wow! gagawin ko dito?
Iya, ano mo siya, May? Para mag-iwalay-walay. Kasi dapat maliliit na card yan.
Ah.
Uy, sama kayo dali. Ay, saan ba? Ang pangit lang, dito na lang. Sige na, sama ka dali.
Say hi!
Vlog pa lang.
Oo. Sobrang lamig.
Umorder po ng walang dalawang pera. Apat pa kami. Nakakaya. Kuya, sorry. Oo nga, ting.
Static ba here? Parang di naman.
Ay, straight ka, mapapatingin kayo, no?
Okay, makabangan ka na dito.
Ako nga pala yung sinayang mo.
Hindi, seryoso nga.
Ay, sorry. Napagalitan ng kate. Sorry, Derek.
Sorry, Derek.
Ano ba, cloud chase?
Serious. Ay, ang sabi. Ang ganda naman. Ay, bakit mag-comment?
Good morning!
Oo, akala mo nasa ibang bansa.
I ordered cheese samgyeopsal and this is beef bulgogi. This is Spanish latte and French vanilla.
Tapos, yung katabi daw niyan, nakasiksik.
Mga kalsada at para makita kung ano na nga ba ang sitwasyon. Siya po ay